Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Urdu language course. In this video, we will tell you how to make negative sentences in Urdu of present indefinite tense. Manfi jumle. For example, I don't go to school. मैं स्कूल नहीं जाती. You don't go to school. तुम स्कूल नहीं जाते. He does not go to school. वो स्कूल नहीं जाता. She does not go to school. वो स्कूल नहीं जाती. We don't go to school. हम स्कूल नहीं जाते. They don't go to school. वो स्कूल नहीं जाते. In next video, we will tell you about how to make interrogative sentences in Urdu of present indefinite tense. Please like and subscribe my channel to watch all videos of Urdu language course and don't forget to press bell icon. Allah Hafiz. See you. Bye bye.